the Techpreneurship program that we just finished was very, very amazing. We had a lot of industry leaders from the blockchain that came to teach our teams on what blockchain is. And these students, just within this couple of days, they were able to write their business model and they were able to build applications. We saw very great innovations, such as a tracking system using the blockchain. Another person talked about using blockchain for fleet management. It was very, very interesting. The children were very enthusiastic. They learned a lot. They got to understand what it is to, to have financial projections. They got to understand what a business model is, what a business canvas is, market segmentation, market penetration, and the judges were wonderful. Surprisingly, our keynote speaker, she came, and that was the Senior Special Advisor to Education, Ministry of Education, Lagos State. That is Mr. Adetola Salao. She gave a fantastic preaching. I mean, I could say that it's preaching, talking about the importance that these kids need to create time and build their skills in tech. It was just amazing. And then the insight from the judges, such as Mrs. Yuka from Oxbridge, was excellent. She was able to probe properly. Mrs. Anyawale from Nigerian Exchange Limited, fantastic. Her views. She has a very good perspective on the financial part. She was talking about scaling and how can organizations scale. If you're talking about this problem and you're able to solve it, how do you scale? And she talked about the business model, being able to give more insights on how and why, and then the products. Does this product make sense if it's launched in the market? Another guest judge that we had was Ms. Moyeshe from Venture Garden. She was amazing. She was able to understand about delivering products. How do you launch products, especially design and thinking for product design. So it's been a very amazing program. I just want to say thank you to our wonderful judges. Thank you to our keynote speaker. And then finally, I want to say a big thank you to our sponsors. So our sponsors are Nigerian Exchange Limited. They were able to get the team to record the whole event. That was amazing. We had MTN. MTN gave a lot of gifts, and Google. Thank you, Mrs. Makanjola. She was able to keep bringing gifts for the kids, And then I also want to thank International Race. That was amazing. They were able to bring the materials that students were going to use for the program. I also want to thank Reformation Center for them being able to support us, especially with cash and kind. That was amazing. And then Silverbird, thank you so much. So this will be broadcasted in Silverbird, and definitely people all over Nigeria will get to have the opportunity to see what we're doing. I also want to thank Right Foods for supplying the drinks. I mean, the children had a lovely time, with what we were given, refreshing. I want to say a big thank you to Right Foods. Thank you very much.
My name is Idris Olisi. I am a software engineer and technical writer. I currently work as a developer relations engineer and the founder of Web3 Africa, a community focused on connecting the dots, onboarding, supporting, and educating Web3 builders in Africa. Blockchain is a digital ledger, and it allows anyone on the internet to store transactions securely and also transparently. So leveraging this type of technology will help to eliminate decentralized authority and also influencing what can be changed in a particular data. So this data is not limited to just maybe in the healthcare sector, but it could also help in supply chain management system, could help in the fashion industry, could help in the farming industry, and all other industries within the space. Okay, you said, can we have an example of project that students can do, right? So there are a lot of projects actually, but it depends on the type of industry that you're trying to provide solution for. So example of project is literally creating decentralized application. So this is when decentralized application could be in form of anything basically, but we have, like I mentioned earlier, that we have different sectors, different industry. So it means that you can create solutions for healthcare sector, you can create a solution for the fintech space, you can create solutions for the farming space, you can create solutions that help with the supply chain system, you can create solutions that help in the fashion industry, leveraging the blockchain technology. But the requirement here, the primary requirement is understanding how the web works itself. So that way you can gradually understand how you can translate the whole internet iteration into Web3 itself. Because what makes a Web3 differs from other type of web where we have Web 1, Web 2, the evolution of web and all of that is because Web3 leverages on blockchain technology. That's the only thing that actually changed the Web3 from the Web 1 and Web 2. So getting started, you need to understand what the blockchain fundamentals are and also ensure you have some technical skills as a web developer. So just understanding the web will literally help you get better understanding on how to build solutions leveraging the blockchain technology in the Web3 space.
My name is Angela Ogundeji. I graduated from Unique Heights School and then I'm going to study physical therapy in university. What I learned today was about the blockchain and how to use that how to use technology to solve problems, and then how to be a leader while doing it, how to be an entrepreneur while doing it, how to make money off of it in this new generation that the AI is really taking over, because the AI is going to take over a lot of jobs. So I need to learn how to not let my job get taken over, basically. A problem that I really plan to solve, something that I'm really passionate about is, I'm really passionate about the global warming. Like, it's a very, very horrible problem because nobody's really thinking of it. Nobody thinks to recycle. Nobody thinks to recycle clothes to resew them, because there are a lot of clothes scattered everywhere, there are a lot of plastic scattered everywhere that is going to keep on increasing and it's going to keep on causing problems. It's already causing problems. Rivers are drying up, things are happening everywhere as a result of global warming, but nobody seems to want to fix this problem. And I plan to really use everything I'm going to learn in this camp to solve the problem on global warming.
Hello, my name is Ogene Tegabadaro. I'm in JS2 and I go to Downtown High School. Today I learned that blockchain is a ledger that stores or records business transactions. And I look forward to solving the problem unemployment. Unemployment is when people don't have jobs and then they don't have anything to do for a living. So I hope that I'll be able to use blockchain to solve unemployment.
My name is Dr. Adetola Salau. I am the Senior Special Assistant on Education to the Executive Governor of Lagos State. From my understanding, when I received the blurb about this event, this is an event around entrepreneurship, encouraging entrepreneurship for our young adults, that's what I like to call them, or aspiring adults, and also making sure that they're able to infuse technology in the solutions they come up with when they're working on entrepreneurship ideas. So seeing programs like this that encourage and enable our young ones to think critically and talk about and engage in problem solving are things that I like to see. So that's why I'm also here, to encourage and also help to motivate the people who are organizing the event as well as the young adults. And one of the key things is making sure that we build setting skills among our young ones, because we have no idea what kind of jobs are going to exist in the next 5, 10, 20 years. And one of the things that we try to do is make sure we foster setting skills. We like to call them modern skills, collaboration, critical thinking, problem solving, what am I missing? Communication. Them being able to present the ideas is communication. Them working together in teams is collaboration. Them thinking about these solutions, that's critical thinking and problem solving. So these are skills that carry over and you can use in any setting. So these are very, very important.
My name is Adeko Ayotomoa. Initially, it was kind of boring, but then towards today, which is the last day, it was getting more interesting, understanding more about how blockchain works, different applications and things like that. And I got to, with my team, I got to apply that in such ways that can be helped. I had a lot of mistakes too, but I learned a lot of things too.
My name is Entulu Afeogunjobi.
The event was interesting, it was very interactive. I learned a lot today. I learned how to pitch my idea. I learned how to use blockchain to do secure transactions from one location to the other. I enjoyed myself today and I like being a winner. I don't like losing. So yeah, I like winning.
My name is Toluwani Fadike. The event was very educational. Like, it made me learn something that I would probably never learn anyway. So I really enjoyed it. I met new people and made new friends. I'm happy that I won because it shows that my team's effort was not put in in vain. So I'm really happy that we won. Even if it's just third place, at least it shows that the judges really liked our pitch.
My name is Irene Robinson Ayowale. I'm the Divisional Head Business Support Services and General Counsel to Nigerian Exchange Limited. So this workshop is about trying to educate the teenagers around technology, the new innovations in technology, trying to educate the teenagers as to how to become entrepreneurs themselves. We are teaching them how to pitch a business, how to do market survey, how to come up with a solution that can be a viable business product, how to make profit out of that product, how to scale, how to come up with a financial model that works. Basically, how to start up your business even from this young age and build it to such a stage that at the end of the day you can sell it or you can scale it into a very highly profitable business, not just within Nigeria but outside of Nigeria as well. The future workforce is about creativity and innovation. It also gives them skills around technology, that's around blockchain, around AI and things like that. And again, any future form of work requires this type of understanding and knowledge. There's also the skill of presentation, because here they had to come up with a PowerPoint presentation. There's also the skill of research. So they have to go about researching on these issues, analytics, also about analyzing situations and problems. So the truth of the matter is that the full package, if you take this type of a program, you definitely be prepared to be the type of staff that any Fortune 500 company would want to hire. And in fact, beyond that, you can actually set up your own business. Who says you have to work for somebody? And that's part of what this program is teaching the children.
In final note, I'm Dele Techpreneurship, founder of Wi-Fi Compass Academy. We've been doing this almost for the past 10 years. And this program will be a program that we intend to hold every year, not just in Lagos, but we're looking at other parts of the country. And it's been an amazing season. It's been an amazing time, just seeing what these teenagers can do within just 4 days. So I want to say a big thank you. Thank you so much.